You've changed nothing, but the number on the scale says otherwise. As a nurse practitioner who specializes in hormone health, I've helped numerous women through this exact moment. Even when you're working out, you're eating clean, you're doing everything right, and the scale still creeps up, like your body's betraying you. With the emotional spiral, confusion, frustration, and then self-blame. For women over 40, this is the moment we start to feel like our body is no longer ours. But what if I told you it's not your willpower, it's your hormones? Here's why everything you're doing right is actually working against you. I hear it all the time from women. I just seem to be gaining weight. I'm at the gym for hours. I'm just tired. I'm even eating less than before. When you keep pushing, and in this case more workouts, your hormones, particularly cortisol, sees it as stress. And it's trying to protect you to survive. The main hormone at play here is cortisol. It's great during times of trouble. It helps your blood glucose spike so you can run faster, see better, and save yourself. For a little bit, this works. But if it happens all the time, you get high cortisol and high blood glucose all the time. We only want this activated when needed. The more you push, the more your body resists. Your body isn't broken. It's protecting you. If nothing's changed on the outside, what's shifting inside your body? And why aren't you getting helped? Perimenopause is a hormonal roller coaster. Blood work is just a snapshot. It misses the pattern. Have you ever been told to just write it out? Let me know in the comments. I read every one. So, I worked with a woman who waited 12 years for this to pass. And I helped her in 2 months because I listened. Let me tell you, you are not crazy and you are not alone. If blood tests can't give the full picture, what can? Why your provider might be looking at the wrong numbers. Most people are not tested for insulin resistance. Insulin resistance happens when your cells stop responding well to insulin, the hormone that moves sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. And instead of steady energy, you get sugar cravings, belly weight gain, fatigue, and brain fog. And in perimenopause, falling estrogen makes this worse, which is why so many women feel stuck. The good news, with balanced meals, movement, quality sleep, and stress management rooted in healthy lifestyle choices, you can restore insulin sensitivity, protect your long-term health. By the way, if you're ready to address your health holistically, get on my wait list for the upcoming Precision Hormone and Metabolic Reset. I'll put the link in the description. It's really not about eating less. It's about eating differently. You can stop fighting food and start using it to support your body. So what do you actually do to turn this around? If this is connecting the dots for you, consider giving this video a like to help it reach more women struggling. This kind of info isn't being talked about enough, and people deserve to hear it. This isn't something you suffer through. It's something you work with. This is the moment you stop blaming yourself and start working with your biology. Now let's talk about the new mindset that changes everything. Perimenopause isn't a flaw in your design. It's a God-given transition into a new phase of womanhood. The power comes when we stop treating women like they're broken and start partnering with the body instead. This isn't something you suffer through, it's something you work with. But here's the truth. The system has failed women. Too many are dismissed with everything looks normal, misinformed with quick fixes, or left underserved when they need answers the most. And this is where your shift begins. This is the moment you stop blaming yourself and start working with your biology. And when you do, you reclaim your energy, your clarity, and the freedom to thrive in this season of life.